It can be really frustrating if you want to play one of your favorite games on your PlayStation 4 and you get an error code. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix a PlayStation 4 error code that reads CE-30774-1. First, let's try one of the easiest and quickest methods to try and fix your PlayStation. Unplug the power source from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now be patient here, wait the whole 60 seconds. This is very different from powering down your PlayStation, so make sure that you try this method. If it works, great. If not, then let's move on to the next method. Second, let's make sure that you're getting internet to your PlayStation. So let's do a quick reset of the Wi-Fi. Find your router that is giving you internet and unplug that for 60 seconds and then plug it back in. When it reconnects, check your PlayStation then. If it doesn't work, then let's go ahead and move on to the last method. Okay, this error code usually occurs when the system cannot update using a USB storage device. To fix this, you're going to go to Settings, then go to System Software Update to update your PlayStation 4. Now, if that's not possible, follow these steps. You might have to make sure that your USB storage device is formatted to FAT or EXFAT. Insert the USB storage device into your PC or Mac USB port, then right-click and then select Format to the open dialog box. Make sure that you select FAT or the EXFAT from the drop-down menu under the file system. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.